Good day everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be talking about how to open a Facebook page using AI tools. In other words, it can also be how to build and how to maintain a Facebook page using AI tools. So I'll jump straight into showing us how to open a Facebook page. So you go towards your left hand side of your Facebook page, that is on your desktop. If you're using a desktop app or if you're using a mobile app, you also go towards the left hand side, then you check the options there. So right now look for pages. Looking out for pages, I will see create new profile or pages. So there you can create a profile, you can also create a page. There's a personal profile, there's public page, or there's upgrading your page. So I chose the public page, then I press next. So I'm about to create a new Facebook page and show you how I will be able to maintain it using AI. First of all, I write a page name. So I write a page name. I call this Sport Arena. Then I create a category for it. So the category is sports. Category is sports. Then I write a bio. A bio is let me say an 100 words kind of little description of everything the page is about. Then I create page. Facebook sees the name, sees the page, it creates it. Then I can fill up my contacts by the website, fill up my phone number, I can fill up my email. Then I can also fill up my address down and passcode. And I press next. I will add a profile picture and add a cover picture. The profile picture is that little circular dimension, while the cover picture is the square dimension at the back. I can invite friends. Then next. After that, I'm done with the page. Then my page is successfully created. So as you can see there, my page has been successfully created, so I have my own page now. So now I'll be taking us towards where we can now maintain our Facebook page or grow the Facebook page as I have been growing using AI. You know, AI is the current solution to most problems. So I created a small note for us to be able to do it. Yeah, so you follow me. Number one, AI tools for text generation. So to be able to maintain your posts, you need AI tools for text generation for your Facebook post, for your caption. And I use Chat GPT. So my number one is Chat GPT. If you can see, you know what Chat GPT is, just go on Google and search Chat GPT, you'll be able to. And then I use Gemini. Gemini is also an AI tool for text generation. So do your research and get to. Then secondly, I have my social media management platforms for AI text generation. So that's what we call social media management. Management is the process of you posting your content online. It's different from text generation. So you need a tool that can help you post automatically online. Facebook have done it that you can be able to schedule posts, but we have apps that do it, and they do it as AI. So we have what we call the HotSuite. Then we have what we call the buffer zone. In my early days when I started Facebook management, I used to use HotSuite where I schedule my post on daily basis for a month. I just create a particular day. I create some posts that will take me for a month. Then I schedule them using HotSuite. So the next one is tools for image generation for Facebook posts, come up photos, etc. So you need tools for image generation. Thank you for Facebook that can allow you to use anything. We have Google Image, we have the daily, then we have the stable diffusion. If you check on Google, you'll be able to see these apps or this website that can be able to allow you to create images. Then we have image editing tools, mostly AI imaging editing tools. So we have Canva, which is the most popular. We have InShot, which is the most popular. We have FormPix, which is also popular. So you use these imaging editing tools to edit your images, and they have AI features that can help you. So we have what we call AI tools for video generation, for Facebook Reels, stories, and video posts. This is for people that are more into storytelling. They need videos, they need stories, they need video posts to trend. So we have InVideo, we have Sentisha, then we have Canva. This Canva is free and paid. Sentisha is not free. InVideo AI is free, so you can also use InVideo AI. Now, let's go down to the important consideration for 2025. Now, increased integration aspect for those who... Now, one of the things about AI is that, first of all, it helps you with the tools to be able to meet up. You understand what I'm saying? You need to integrate yourself in the digital sphere. So AI helps you to be able to integrate well into it and be able to manage in yourself, manage the whole situation on Facebook. Then we have personalization. AI helps you, after studying you for a little while, can personalize things based on your interest. It can generate stories based on your interest. It can generate images based on your interest. Then automation. One of the things again you need to know is that automation helps in so many ways. You don't downplay automation. Automation helps you to reduce time, free up spaces, it gives you enough time and creative, more strategy for you to be able to post what you want to post. Then it helps you understand ethically what is acceptable and what is not acceptable on Facebook, keeping your page safe and keeping your status safe. So this is all I have for today. I would like to tell us that these are other pages I have likely done, and this is all we have for today. Thank you very much. Stay tuned, and God bless you.